What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe, Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there on What's Up Wednesday? Happy Valentine's Day. I'm not going to be before you guys long. Just wanted to give you this information real quick. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me. Click the notification bell, all right, so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, we're doing What's Up Wednesday. This is something I came up with, something mid-week, all right, to kind of give you any announcements, any new information, maybe a new platform that I added, any news, okay, that may have happened from the weekend when we do our Sip Coffee and Coins episode, right? So that's kind of what this is all about. Sometimes it's some information you can use immediately, important updates. So we're back. Go check out my crypto projects at www.coffeeandcoins.info. If you're interested in learning and earning instant pay with digital marketing, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, guys. So we've got a few quick updates for you. All right, let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's go. All right, first up is money flow. All right, I got in this project, what was it, a week ago or whatnot. Let me pull up the Telegram group because they actually just came back on Sunday. So long story short, we're not going to go through it all. But if you're here for the first time and you're looking at this and you happen to stumble upon this video, I had gotten in this platform a week or so ago. And on February 8th, it was, I believe, they had a DDoS attack. All right, I had at that time, I had two $5 cases had already completed. I had a $10 case that completed, and that day that the DDoS attack happened, I just got in either the day of or the day after. I just opened the $25 case. All right, so then the DDoS attack happened and they said, hey, we were attacked, yada yada, and they needed some time to work on it. They won't try to figure it out. Then they came back and they said, hey, the money was still there, but you know, they had so many members, they would have to pay people manually and, you know, all that stuff. So they basically were going to reset the system. If you guys were interested, they needed, I believe, 400 likes, and they would start it over. Yeah, they had 30,000 active members. And people wanted to see it back. And I did like the program, okay? Because it was something different. It's not trading crypto. It's a crypto game. That's how, you know, I see it, which was something different. Have a little fun, okay, in the space. So anyway, they said, hey, we'll come back if people want us back. We need 400 likes or something like that. They got way more than that. And they said, we'll come back on Sunday. Which was last Sunday, just passed, if you guys want us. And so they came back on Sunday. But they did say they would have to reset the whole system. You would start back at 0. Okay? And I respectfully declined. Just not interested in going back in and doing it all over again. For me, it wasn't about the $5. Okay? It's just, I already saw the red flag, and for me, I just bow out. Okay, it was fun while it lasted. I can't track because, like they said, they reset everything. I could see that my referral, the people that signed up with me initially, is still in there. And looks like somebody just went back in and whatnot, and so there's 50 cents in there. But I'm no longer promoting the program. All right, so that's really where it stands. But it's back up with a new domain. All right, so that's it. That's all. I walk away, and it was fun while it lasted. All right, and good luck to everybody that is in it All right, it is crypto, guys. Either way, whether it's a game or whatever it is, it's crypto. So it could be here today and gone tomorrow. We know this. And so for me, the 2.0, I'm going to pass on. All right, but that's it. They are back up. All right, guys. So just wanted you to be aware of that. All right, so I don't have a link in the description for it. All right, but I've got some awesome, I got a couple other awesome platforms that you may be interested in. Okay, go check them out. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what they're all about. All right, that's it on Money Flow. Moving right along. All right, we made a video this morning, okay, on Stable Swap. So I'm basically updating you because I see they've come back with the APR for today because they have this promo going, which is awesome. Before we get into the promo, let's see, we're at 1,260 providers. Oh my goodness, and this is climbing. The liquidity is climbing. 1,161,415 in liquidity. Awesome. This is my number one right here because it is stable. They're not trading at all. So I'm really liking what they got going on here. They came on board November 2023, like November 7th, November 8th, something like that. Danny D is one of the co-founders out of the Philippines, and I like what they're doing. This is a long-term play, okay? This is not a hype at all. All right, so anyway, the update they've got today, the liquidity, because they got this promo. Let's see, hang on. We only got 4 days left on this promo, guys. I like this picture they got going on here, but it's only 4 days on this promo, and it is, let's see here, hang on a second, pull it up for you. Okay, here we are. This started actually on the 9th and it ends on the 18th, and they're basically randomly through these, it's a 9-day promo they've got, and they are randomly given different APRs each day. Okay, only for the long-term liquidity pool though. Okay, for the 300-day. Okay, not for any of the others. So each day it's been something different. Whoa, hang on. That was pretty cool though. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. See if we can get out of here. We can get out of this thing. Hold up. There we go. Hold on. All right, so let's see. We are climbing here. Let's go over here. Liquidity pool for today. Valentine's Day. See, 0.44. Yesterday it was 0.40. All right, so they're randomly just giving out these nice ROIs. Typically, normally, this 300-day term is normally 0.35, okay? Which is still good, guys, because a 30-day month, we're looking at 10.5% a month, okay? 10.5 a month ROI. So for these 9 days, they've been given different ones. The last one that I got in was on Friday, and it was 0.45. Okay, so I added another one on Friday last week, and so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm waiting for this one to, if I see a 0.50, 0.55, that's what I'm waiting for. So anyway, we've got some, we've got a balance here, and that's what I'm waiting to utilize and just add another one in there. But they've got these three pools, guys. This is what their ROI is. 60 days, 0.10 for 60 days, 0.20 for 120 days. And today, because of the promo, it's 0.44. All right, for 300 days. This goes back, after this promo is over, after the 18th, it goes back to 0.35. Again, that's 10.5 a month on a 30-day month. Okay, so not bad at all. So anyway, what we wanted to update on is the numbers for today, and that they hit 1 million liquidity, guys. You have to understand, they've only got 1,260 providers, people like myself that's put crypto in the platform. And from November 7th, this thing has grown to over 1 million. So they'll be at 2 million soon. Okay, so this is great. And this platform does not need people to sign up. Okay, they don't need new money for people to sign up to pay the ROI. Again, that's why I like it, because it's not based on that. It's not based on crypto trading, any of that stuff. All right, so more of a sustainable platform. All right, stable swap, stable coins, USDT and USDC. Those are the two stable coins. All right, so that's the update. I just wanted to bring up. They're on their way to the next milestone of 2 million. Okay, look at the numbers, they're growing. And they're launching in India is the next country, because right now the service that they offer is in the Philippines, and that's where the office is. That's where Danny D is, and they're out of the Philippines. So this service, this buy and sell fiat, is in the Philippines, but they're going to be launching India. All right, so shout out to Stable. Yes. All right, and let's go on down the line here. All right, want to talk about this real quick. This is in reference to my 800 number daily pay sales funnel strategy. All right, people are calling, people are asking about it. You've got to first buy your digital products, guys, and this is only for people that join me. All right, this is one of the bonuses, if you will, that you will be able to have access to. Okay, so that's the first thing. Only the folks that sign up with me go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, and I'll explain this to you. It's very simple, but you've got to get your digital products first, and we'll go over that. But I wanted to just reiterate that. So you come over here, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. all right, you can watch that little short video, and then you come over here, guys, and you select out of the 4 products, get in where you fit in. The premium $600 plus your website is $59, so $659. You have a business in a box, and you got 4 income streams. All right, if you go with the 6-figure blueprint, the $300 pro level is $300 plus $39 for your website. Okay, because the company's going to create the website for you, code it to you with your pay buttons on it. All right, so this one's going to give you 3 income streams. These are the top 2. This is the number 1 selling one. This is the number 2 selling digital product. All right, then you have your elite. It's $150 plus your website fee of $39. Then you have your starter. It's $50 plus your website fee of $39. So it's $89. All right, so you have to purchase one of these digital products in order to get my 800 number daily pay strategy. All right, that's how that goes, and it's only for people that sign up with me. You can't say, hey, well, I joined a year ago under John Doe and I want this strategy you got. This is an incentive for my new people that get signed up. And guys, this works. It's perfect for posting. When you do your posts, when you post your ads, let me tell you, I can share a lot of stuff with you. All right, so go check this out, www.thecopypastemethod.com. See how you can learn and earn instant payments, $50, $150, $300, and $600 commissions. Okay, it's a real deal. 3-year-old program. All right, let's see what else we got. I want to bring this up because somebody asked me about this BrunoEX real quick. I did have a crypto plan with them, all right, and it's expired. 90 days was up, and I'm out of that. But BrunoEX offers, guys, this exchange crypto. Okay, yes, Stable Swap has this as well, but it's only in the Philippines right now. Okay, if I wanted to utilize the service, I wouldn't be able to because I'm in the US, right? So BrunoEX does have an exchange. Someone was asking me about this and they wanted to use it, so I will put my link below. I don't have a plan, okay, and that's okay because they do have some plans as well. Okay, so if you're interested in doing that, that's great. But this is a good exchange here. I've used this exchange a few times, the exchange portion. The buy and sell is not in my area. Okay, so it's geographic specific. But this exchange definitely works. If you want to swap out Bitcoin to USD or whatever the coin is, okay, because they've got over 600,000 exchange pairs. All right, so this is a good exchange platform that they got here. So go check this out, Swift and Endless, and it does work. I've used it. So I had somebody reach out to me about that. So when I shared it with them, and they said they were going to do an exchange, so thought I'd bring it out. Still a good tool to use, even if I don't have an active plan right now. All right, so I'll put the link below for that. All right, guys. All right, that's it. That's all for the quick What's Up Wednesday update. Go check out my crypto projects at www.coffeeandcoins.info. If you want to see all my instant pay programs, go check them out at www.getpaidfromhome.info. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.